In less than 2 days, a huge event is going to be taking place that is going to bring with it major volatility. It is a huge catalyst. There's actually two events. We're going to be talking about that in this video, and it's going to have a major impact on cryptocurrencies and traditional stock markets. So in this video, we're going to be talking about that and where cryptocurrencies are headed to in the immediate short term. So make sure you watch this video unto the end. Now, if you love cryptocurrencies, consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe with notifications on, and let me know in the comments below. Do you think this week, the end of this week, is going to be bullish or bearish? Let me know your current thoughts on the current market volatility right now. So as we have been taking a look, we've been seeing cryptocurrencies bounce up, and they've been bouncing up since early this week, and we've been getting a recovery. We've been getting a bounce. We've been getting a recovery. We have not crashed down any further. That's good. We've held up actually a lot higher from the crash. And if we take a look at the exact levels that we crashed at, we can see we're actually up about 10, 11%, 12%, depending on whatever cryptocurrency you hold. But most cryptocurrencies are up about 8 to 10% or so from the crash, which is very good. Now, we're getting a breakout with most cryptocurrencies, especially Ethereum, as Ethereum is one of the leading coins out there that guides the whole crypto market. Bitcoin used to do that. And of course, Ethereum does follow Bitcoin and cryptos follow Bitcoin, but Bitcoin has been kind of weak these past couple of months as altcoins have been getting a lot of attention. And the altcoins have been far outperforming Bitcoin, which is a good thing because I personally don't hold any Bitcoin. I hold only altcoins right now. And if you don't know, but we are in altcoin season, which means the altcoins outperform Bitcoin to a big degree. And there's going to be a time where Bitcoin outperforms the altcoins, but that is not the time. And this is not the time right now, especially because we have the Ethereum merge taking place. But this Friday, we have two critical catalysts that are going to be taking place that's going to be having a huge effect on cryptos. And that's why cryptocurrencies have not really pumped or done anything crazy, because everyone's just kind of sitting on the sidelines. Cryptos are kind of sideways. Everyone's just waiting on the sidelines for this event to take place. And what happens after this event is going to decide whether people are going to be buying or selling into cryptos and the traditional markets. But today, we actually got some green in the traditional markets as we see the NASDAQ up a little bit today. We also have the S&P that shot up pretty strong today as well. And taking a look at the dollar, it's actually kind of peaked out and started to look a little bearish, which if it continues to go down, we're going to have some good crypto volatility for sure. And keep watching because we have these two catalysts that I need to share with you. So on Friday at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time, the PCE numbers come out, which measure inflation. As soon as this comes out, even before it comes out, there's going to be a lot of volatility. And if the numbers show that inflation is slowing down, it's very similar to CPI, we're going to get a massive pump in the markets, traditional markets, and so forth. And then we have Jerome Powell, of course, the money printer. He's going to be speaking himself at 10 a.m. So Friday is going to be a massive day. It's going to be huge. I'm super excited. And it's just going to be absolutely critical. I am thinking that Friday is going to be a bullish day because we've been very bearish with what the Fed spoke last week and their minutes. And I believe that this week, because of such a strong bearish impact that his words had on the market, he's going to come out and say something to kind of soften up those words. And basically softening up the idea that they're going to continue to raise interest rates aggressively. So I believe he's going to come out and say something that we're eventually going to stop raising interest rates aggressively if X, Y, and Z happens, or if inflation continues to show itself slowing down. So we need to see the inflation numbers coming down, probably under expectations. That's going to have a good effect. Even if we come at expectations, it's still going to be good because the expectations are going to be lower than the previous months. And then also the Fed, if he says something about kind of that is a little hot, a little dovish, something that's kind of softening in his previous words, that's going to have an additional strong effect on the markets that will double pump the market. So in my current opinion, cryptos are just trading sideways right now. Nothing major is happening. Cryptos are setting up though. They are looking quite bullish in my opinion, as Ethereum and some other cryptocurrencies are breaking out in a bullish manner right now. But we still need to wait till Friday, and we're probably not going to see anything crazy bullish until then. Now, there can be people buying up cryptocurrencies and in the traditional markets before the Fed comes out and before the PCE comes out, because they could be expecting a bullish reaction and some bullish data to be coming out as well. Just like a lot of times for specific events, if people and the majority of traders and investors are expecting something bearish, you're going to see a big sell-off. Now, if the majority of people like ourselves are expecting something bullish, we could get a pump before then, and then the continuation of that pump even on the day and after. So we'll have to see. Until then, we're just kind of trading sideways. We're in neutrals. We're almost in like a neutral zone, no man's land, and we're gonna see what happens. Now, if you want to get access to the most profitable crypto traders on the internet, go ahead and join Tier 3 in the Patreon, where you get access to all of the buy alerts in the Patreon, including you get to be part of the big trading group where I'm personally very active, and a bunch of other very good traders are there as well to help you with your investing and trading decisions. And also, do not forget to claim your $5,000 deposit bonus over on Bybit. It is a crypto trading platform, one of the cheapest fees, most secure out there, and you can short and long the market. So you can make money when the market's going up and down on Bybit. Use that link in my video description. By depositing a specific amount of cryptocurrency, you can qualify up to $5,000 in free bonuses. Highly recommend checking that out. And also, I have a new course in crypto school to teach you how to make 1 to 2% every single day trading cryptocurrencies. If you are interested in that, go ahead and apply with the link in my video description. You will see it, and I will see you all later. Thank you guys so much for staying to the very end. Consider giving this video a thumbs up, and I will see you tomorrow.